Now that you know how you can buy an NFT and you saw me acquire an NFT, I really value that NFT. It means a lot to me. So I want to protect it. I want to talk to you about something known as hot storage and cold storage when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And NFTs are valuable types of a cryptocurrency. An NFT can be worth millions of dollars. You want to protect it. So hot storage is when you keep your cryptocurrency in a cryptocurrency wallet like MetaMask that's connected online. So my MetaMask is connected to a browser. It means that it's on a computer. Guess what? If it's on a computer, a hacker can access the computer and could basically tap into your MetaMask and steal your NFTs. Just like they could steal your Ether, they could steal your Bitcoins. These are the risks you run whenever you're dealing with a hot wallet like a MetaMask that's connected online. Now mind you, I'm not saying it's going to happen to you, but what I'm saying is it could happen to you. So as a result, what you want is to protect yourself, especially when you have a valuable asset or a series of valuable assets, which is exactly what you're going to be doing. So the alternative to hot storage is what's known as cold storage. Cold storage is when you take your cryptocurrencies off any device that's connected onto the internet and you pull them off that device to cold storage. What you're really doing is you're taking the private key that basically lets you transfer the assets. So if your wallet that's hot, a hot wallet like MetaMask, gets hacked, what a hacker would do is steal the private keys, and if they have the private keys, they can basically take away your NFTs or whichever your crypto is. But when you take your private keys offline, so you go to cold storage, you're actually able to then protect them. So let me give you a perfect option. One of them is a Trezor hardware wallet. I'm going to give you links for all of these in this lesson so you know exactly what I'm talking about. A hardware wallet essentially connects and lets you control the access to the private keys. So MetaMask interacts with this hardware wallet. There's actually a Trezor. Another good one is a Ledger. I'm going to give you links to those. Never buy a hardware wallet from a random link that someone gives you. Never buy it from like a place like eBay. Like you never know what someone's done with that hardware wallet. For all you know, it's compromised. Somebody stole the keys. Always buy directly from the company that offers the hardware wallets. For instance, Trezor or Ledger. I'm going to give you the links to both. So the lesson in this one is, as you actually grow your NFT business and you acquire valuable NFTs, you want to make sure that you have a way to protect them. And the best way to protect them is to take them off of any device that's actually connected to the web and store them on a hardware wallet, such as a Trezor or a Ledger.